Those are finished. Those
Good
are
morning,
finished.
ma'am.
Take red color crayon or color pencil and you are going to circle only the vowels. You have 5 vowels, right? Circle only the vowels. Those are finished. Vishang, start writing, Vishang. See your friends, they all are writing. See, finish it fast. Who is going to finish first? Vishang? Is Vishang going to finish first? Nova?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Devkrish. Now take your red color crayon or color pencil and circle the vowels. What, Mahashni?
No, she forgot the vowels. She is telling
Forgot.
only A, I, U only. She is not telling G.
5. A, E, I, O, U. 5. I thought so.
Ma'am.
Vowels A, E, I, O, U.
Ma'am.
Finished, Tarnika. Good. Very good, Tarnika.
Finish, ma'am.
Hashni. Good,
Finish,
Hashni.
ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Nikita.
Finish,
Circle the vowels, Nikita.
finish, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish,
Circle the vowels. Everyone, those are finished. Circle the
ma'am.
vowels. 5 vowels we have. A, E, I, O, U. Very good, Dhanvin. Good, Ma, Dhanvin. Rohita finished. Rohita, Ritvik.
No, ma'am. She wrote M. Ma'am.
Write fast, Rohita. Come on.
Writing, ma'am.
Right. Right, Ma, Rohita, right. Vivan finished.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Dev Krish. Vivan is circling, huh? Vivan. Very good, Vivan. Use single color, I told you, right? Circling all the colors. Don't want. What you don't want? Hmm?
He wants to do with color pencil, but it is not visible, ma'am. So crayon.
Oh, for that he is crying. Anyways, if it is with color pencil, he is going to circle the correct thing, right? No issues.
Okay. And he
Okay,
also
Vivan.
forgot vowels, ma'am. Vowels, he also
Hereafter,
completely.
don't do like that, Vivan's mom. I'm going to
Okay,
punish
ma'am.
you hereafter.
Ma'am is
Shall
very.
we punish your mom, Vivan? No. Okay. We'll not do that. Then why are you scolding your mom? I was just kidding, Vivan. My goodness.
Good morning, Vanilla, ma'am.
Good morning, Satvika Sri. Take your English notebook and write from A to Z small letters. Then you are going to circle the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. And the rest of the letters are consonants. Okay? Circle only the vowels, children. Other letters you need not circle.
Ma'am.
Take it separately and write it below. A, comma, E, comma, like this you have to write. A, comma, E, I O U. Like this, you have to write. Okay. Yes, we have finished. We'll start the session, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Mark. Well done. Good. Good morning, Siddharth. Jana, you finish?
Ma'am, what do you need to
Have to take your English notebook, write from A to Z, small letters A to Z. Then you have to circle the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Akshita. Finish, Nakshita.
No, ma'am.
Right fast.
Ma'am, என்ன வேர்ட்ஸ் ரைட்டிங் பண்ணோம்?
A to Z. Small letters A to Z.
ஓகே.
Finish, Anja.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Finish. Very good, Rohita.
Okay.
Rohita, morning 7 ki wake up, ma'am. 7:30 wake up, ma'am. That time 9:30 వరకు మొబైల్ చూస్తుంది మ్యామ్.
Oh, why, Rohita?
అస్సలా
Till ma'am, I like mobile.
I am back to home. My health is not well, ma'am. So she always mobile, ma'am.
Why, ma, Rohita?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So don't do it, okay?
This weekend fast homeworks all finishing, ma'am.
Okay.
Weekend, ma'am.
Okay,
Back to home. My health is not good, ma'am.
Okay. No issues. Ritvik, I can't see what you are writing.
Ma'am,
Finish. Very good.
ma'am.
Yes, ma, Rohita. Yes, Rohita. Huh?
Ma'am, I want stars.
You want stars? I'll give you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Darshika. So, did you circle the vowels? Very good, Darshika. Good. Next is Janavi. Shall we see what Jana is doing? Everyone are looking at Jana. Come on, write fast. All your friends are looking at you. Come on, write fast. Right. Nakshita, finish. Finish?
She forgot, ma'am, some letters.
Mukshitava?
Yes, ma'am.
Then regularly hereafter homework is going to be there. See, children, see what happened. Okay.
Ma'am Pranita.
Okay. Leave. Okay.
Ma'am
Sorry.
Pranita.
Okay, Mukshita, I know you are going to write. Good girl. Come on,
Ma'am
finish.
Pranita.
Yes, Pranita.
It's okay. Leave it, Ammu. Sorry.
Very
Sir,
good.
you write. Okay. Sorry. ఇది చెప్పండి టీచర్.
Okay, Manukshita. I didn't ask you anything, no? I know that you are going to write. Oh. Finish it, children. We have to start the session. It's already time up, children. Satvika, finish.
இதுல ஒண்ணுமே
She is going to color.
Okay, who is going to say Kids Anthem today? Yes, who's going to say Kids Anthem, children?
Ma'am, Kavyani, ma'am.
Kavyani finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
good, Kavyani.
Kidzi anthem, ma'am.
Wait, ma. You are going to say? Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
1 minute. Children, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Children, we'll start the session.
I'm Kavyani.
Yes, ma, Kavyani. You are only going to say. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. All of you. Kids Anthem. Start, ma.
Kidzi anthem. Yard is me. Yard in Panar. Yard unique. My potential inside. Yard the wing. Finish my side. Purify me. My potential inside.
Today I pledge.
I bless all my might.
I shall achieve you.
My potential inside.
Yes, very good, Kavyani. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Yes, very good morning, children. Okay. Now, children, come on, do the activity. Then we'll go to the rhymes. Okay? Okay, animal sounds. Okay, how does a crow sound? Yes, very good. How does a crow sound? Okay. How does a parrot sound? How does a parrot sound? Okay, how does a peacock dance? How does a peacock dance? Peacock dance. Okay. How does a lion sound? Okay. How does a cat sound? Cat. And then, okay. How does a kangaroo jump? How does a kangaroo jump? Kangaroo jump. Kangaroo jump. Very good, very good. And then, how does a snake sound? Snake. Snake. Okay. And then, how does a dog sound? Dog. Very good, Nikita. Very good, Kalyani. Very good, everyone. Thank you so much. Ready for the roly poly rhyme? Ready?
Ma'am, Yes.
Ready?
No.
Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, right, right, right. Roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, front, front, front. Roly poly, back, back, back. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly, fat, fat, fat. Roly poly, thin, thin, thin. Roly poly, tall, tall, tall. Roly poly, short, short, short. Roly poly, open, open, open. Roly poly, close, close, close. Roly poly, slowly, 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 slowly. Roly poly, roly poly. Roly poly, roly poly. Fast, fast, fast. Very good, children. Well done, well done. Okay. Now, next is the rainbow rhyme. Who knows the rainbow rhyme today?
Ma'am, Tanika.
It is very difficult, children. No, no, you are just going to tell the
Ma'am,
colors of the
Tanika.
rainbow.
Ma'am, Tanika.
Tarnika. Tarnika is going to sing, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, sing, Tarnika.
Oh, look, that's the rainbow. It's so violet. Wait, there is indigo and the color blue. Green and yellow corners and then orange too. Find that there is red and the rainbow is red.
Very good. Well done. Well done. Okay, next who is going to sing? Well done. Very good. Give her a star in her hand, Tarnika's mom. A star in her hand.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Next, who is going to sing? Anyone knows this rhyme? Oh, look, there's a rainbow. It's so violet. Wait, there is indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow come through, and there's orange too. Finally, there's red and the rainbow spread. Okay, children, you have to learn this rhyme because it's the only rhyme we are going to sing for culmination 5. Okay, so learn the rhyme. Okay, children, shall we start our attendance? Darshika.
My name is Dashika. Studying junior KG.
Very good. Devresh.
Dashika. My name is Devresh. I am studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good. Dhanvin.
My name is Danica. I am in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Studying in junior KG. Katwata. Hashini. Hashini. Marking you, Hashini. Janavi. Janavi. Janavi.
My name is Janavi. Studying junior KG. Kids 4 years old. Thank you, ma'am.
Kavyarni.
I got it. And I am Mandela, ma'am. My name is Kavi Ali. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old. I'm Kids girl.
Very good. Hashini, I marked you, Hashini. If you want to tell your attendance, you can say.
My name is Asini. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old. I'm Giga and I am ma'am.
Naitek. Sorry, Naitek is absent. Okay. Nukshita.
My name is Nukita. I'm studying junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Okay. Pranita. Pranita. Pranita.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Rohita.
I'm 4 years old. I'm junior KG and Kids girl.
Very good. Ritvik. Ritvik.
Lakshmi is studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old and 65.
Very good. Nitila.
My name is Nila. I am studying junior KG. I am a kid girl. I am 4 years old.
Satvika.
My name is Satika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old. I am kid
Very good,
girl.
Satvika. Siddharth.
My name is Siddharth. I am studying in junior KG. 4 years old. Good morning.
Okay. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Tilakar. Absent. Vishank.
Shank. Say attendance.
Vishank.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Name is
Hmm.
Vishal.
My name is Sushank.
Studying in
I am studying in
Junior
junior
KG.
KG. I am
Very
4
good.
years
Right.
old.
Continue writing. Very good, Vishank. Right. Vivan.
My name is Imran. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old and KG college boy.
Okay. Vidyut. Vidyut. Zeddy. Zeddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Jerry. I am 4 years old. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay. Lakshana. Lakshana. Lakshana, I'm marking you, Lakshana. Okay. Okay, children. Now I want all of you to bring your slate and chalk piece. Bring your slate and chalk piece. Come on. Bring your slate and chalk piece, children, everyone. Those who don't have your slate, you can use your rough notebook itself. Okay? Ready? Okay, first is, what is AB? What is the sound of AB? B. Together, what sound will you get? Anyone? Ab. ABA? Ab. Okay. And then you add another word to it. Another letter to it. What it becomes? Ab. Ab. Tab. Very good, Tarvik. Excellent. Ab. Tab. Okay, listen, children. Take your slate and write it. Write AB. Ab.
लिखो इसमें लिखो तो
And then you are going to add B to it. It becomes tab.
ए लिखो ए स्मॉल ए
ऐसे नहीं पहले लाइन लिखो
लाइन तुम्हारा खींचा हुआ है मैम के नहीं था ना लाइन इसलिए तुम्हारा लाइन खींचा हुआ है
Ready?
देखो ए
Ready? Okay, finished? Next. Now the next word is A, D. What will you get the sound when you add A, D? AD means
yes ma'am
AD. The. What is add? Add.
ready
Add. Done when? What is AD? AD. Add. Okay. And then we are going to add another letter to it. It becomes PAD. Add. Pad. Pad is what you use for writing. You will keep the paper in that and you will write. No. If anyone is having the pad, is anyone having pad in your hand now? Is anyone having pad in your hand? Kavyani,
yes ma'am
you are having pad, right? Yes, who is
No,
having
ma'am.
pad in your hand? No, what? Now you are using pad, no? Okay, Vivan is having a pad. Look at the pad. Show the pad, Vivan. Vivan, show your pad to everyone. This pad, P-A-D, pad. Okay, thank you so much, Vivan. Thank you.
Ma'am, my bed.
Very good. Very good, Vishank.
Ma'am, my bed.
Yeah, that is only pad. P-A-D pad. That's what I asked you. Who is having pad? That time nobody opened your mouth. Okay, very good, children. Okay, next one.
Ma'am, Z is not writing, ma'am.
Why, Ma, Daddy? If you are not writing, then your friends will laugh at you. See, this girl is not writing like that. A-R. What is A-R? R. R. Very good. R. A-R is R. Okay, when you add another letter, it becomes K-R. What is K-R?
Car.
Very good, Karnika and Dhanvi. Car. Okay, car, car. Siddharth. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
What is car? Car.
Car.
Together, what will you get? AR is R. Okay. Car.
Car.
Very good. Car. Wonderful, Siddharth. Good boy. Okay, next is AT. You know what is AT, children? What is AT? Now we are going to add another letter. Fat. Well done, children. Fat. Fat. It's not fat. It's at. Fat. Fur. When you have A only, it sounds fur. Okay, children? At. Fat. Next is AS. What is AS? As. As is as. No? GAS. As. Gas. Very good. G as gas. Well done, children. Very good. And then AM. What is AM? Am. Very good, Nokshita. AM is am. And I am adding J to it. Jam. Jam. Very good, Ma Janavi. Jam. Okay. AN. What is AN? An. Very good, Ma. An. And now I am going to add another word. An. Fan. Okay. And fan. Okay, like this you have to blend sounds, children. Today we tried it blending with A series. Okay. Tomorrow we'll try it with B series. Okay. Thank you. And now someone take your. You want me to show this? Finish, children.
I want to copy in the notebook, ma'am.
Yeah, if you have a notebook also, you can copy.
Okay, ma'am.
This is for their vocabulary only. They have to read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Now, come on, take your My Playbook, children. My Playbook. Page number 13. My Playbook, page number 13. Write today's date on top of it. Here. Very good, Zeddy. Good girl, Zeddy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good girl. Take your My Playbook, ma, Zeddy. Page number 13, 1313. Yeah, that's the page. Write today's date, children, all of you. 22/1/2021. Another book also you have, children, My Word Trip book. In that you have all those alphabet related pictures and words. You can try reading that also. For each and every letter, there are some pictures given. You can read it out. You can open and read it out whenever you are free. Okay? That is My Word Trip book.
Page number, ma'am?
13. Write today's date, children. Okay. Now first, what is this picture, children? What is this picture? Cup. Okay, now you are going to write the word here. Cup word you are going to write here. Okay. See, the letters are given inside the cup. First, circle C. Check where is C and circle it. Take and write it here in this blank. C. Circle it and then you take it out and write. Without circling, you should not write, children. First, you have to circle here. C you have. Circle C in the cup here and then take and write it here. In the blank. And the next letter is U. Find out where is U in this cup. Take it out. Circle it and then you take it out and write here. First, circle it inside the cup. Then you take it out and write.
Ma'am, see a peacock, ma'am.
Very good, Rohita. Very smart girl, Rohita. Next, last letter is P. High five to your mom. Come on. Such a good girl you are. P. Find out where is P. Circle it and then take it here and write in the blank. Okay? Yeah. What is the next picture, children?
Ship.
Ship.
Ma'am, Asa chippy, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Asa chippy.
Hey, very good, Rohita. Okay. First, find out where is yes in that ship. Circle it. And then find out H and circle it. It's okay, Nithila's mom. You can write down in your notebook, English notebook. Then you have to find out where is I. Circle I. And then P. This will be the word that you have to write it in the blank. S-H-I-P. Ship. Circle all these 4 letters inside the ship. The letters are given. Have to circle it and take it down and write it in the blank.
Chair.
Ah.
O
Oh.
O F food.
మళ్ళీ చదువు
No, Rohita. No, wrong.
మళ్ళీ చదువు ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఏంటి
Rohita, mute yourself. Wait, Rohita. I'll tell you how to do it. Finish, children. Now the next picture is, what is the next picture given? 4. Very good. Now we are going to find out the spelling for 4. F. Find out where is F. And next is O. U
చెప్పు స్లోగా.
R. Correct only. What you said is right only, Rohita. FOUR. Very good, children. Look at the screen and do it, children. If you have doubts, now the next picture. What is the next picture given here, children? It's a nobody knows. What is the picture?
And bill.
Very good. Very good to that. It's a bin. Okay.
Bill.
So, bin. B. In. I. N. Bin. Find out these letters. Circle inside that bin. Take it out and write it in the blank given below. Next is hat. What is the spelling for hat, children? This you are going to say. Spelling for hat.
చెప్పు.
H-O-T, ma'am.
H-O-T-A.
Ma'am.
చెప్పు, ఓ కాదమ్మా.
Ma'am. H-O-T.
H-A-T. Hat. H-O-T is hot. Okay. H-A-T. Hat.
Yes. Ma'am.
You forgot, Rohita.
No, she didn't forget. Out of enthusiasm, she said it wrongly. H-A-T, hat. And the last picture, it's a, anyone who knows what is that?
Here.
What is the last picture?
Lock.
Lock.
Yeah.
Lock. Okay. L. O. Now only you are writing Binna Kavyani. C. K. Lock. Have to try writing fast, children. Next, you are going to senior KG, right? So come on, try writing it fast. Rohita, you closed your book. L-O-C-K, lock. That's what I said yesterday also, children. When you follow ma'am only, you'll get that speed. Otherwise, when you think that your parents are going to guide you, you are not at all going to get the speed how to do your work fast. Okay? Follow ma'am, then only you are going to do your work fast. Yes, now come on, take your worksheets, children.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Manukshita. I saw many of you have finished. Very good. Yesterday itself, I asked you that you have that worksheet.
Worksheet number 1.
Worksheet number 117 empty. This one, ma. This worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
This one. 117.
Which one? Write your name.
Write your name. Write your name.
Ma'am.
Very good, Lakshana. Good. Very good. Good improvement in your handwriting, Lakshana. Very nice handwriting. Worksheet this one.
What number, ma'am?
117. Here the natural symbols are given. You are going to find out what comes next.
Finish, ma'am. Finish.
Yeah, very good,
As
Mahashni.
we already finished, ma'am.
Is there any problem with your audio and video, Hashni?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
There is a
I'm not able to
connectivity issue.
hear. I'm not able to hear her sometimes.
Yes, ma'am. There is a connectivity issue.
Okay. Children, you are going to find out what comes next. Finish writing your date and name. First, you have our national bird, peacock. Then hockey, peacock. What comes next? Peacock or hockey?
Hockey.
Very good, Arvind. Hockey. So your book circle.
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
Page 117 empty. Yesterday we did that numbers till 75, right? After that worksheet you will have.
Hmm?
117 empty. Day 117 ல check பண்ணீங்கன்னா இருக்கும்.
அது அப்படி இருக்கு பரவாயில்ல.
Pictures may differ, no issues, but the exercise is the same. Okay, so don't worry for that. Finished. And the next one, we have the national flower. Lotus, mango, lotus. What comes next? The same lotus or mango?
Mango.
Very good. Very good. Mango. Next time, Tarnika is not going to answer. Danvin is also not going to answer. Others are going to answer. Okay, children? Siddharth also will not answer. Very good. Next, Nukshita is going to say. First is tiger. National animal. What is a national animal? Tiger, right? Tiger. India. Tiger. What will come next? India or tiger?
Tiger.
See, what will come next?
India or tiger?
India.
Very good, Sakshita. India. Very good, Vishang. Well done. Give a high five to your dad. India. Well done.
India.
Very good. Okay, now the final one. Here you have our national tree, banyan tree, lotus, banyan tree. Next, what will come? Banyan tree or lotus? Very good, Nukshita. Lotus. Give high five to your mom, Nukshita. Very good. Lotus. High five to mom. Okay. Very good, children. Finished? Then take the numbers worksheet 91 and 92.
Twenty, 30, 40, 50,
118 empty. D118 empty. Okay, we are going to count it, children.
Ma'am, what is the page number, ma'am?
118 empty.
Yes, ma'am.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and this is 191. Regularly, when you are doing the maths worksheet, when you count and do it, you will not get any doubt in that tens counting, children. The main issue is as soon as you see the worksheet, you start writing the numbers. You forget to count. That is the mistake what you all are doing. Some children are doing the same way. Please don't do that. Count and then you have to write. That is the procedure. Then only you will learn. You will not get any doubt in tens counting and all. Count it, strike it out and count, and then you start writing the worksheet. As it is, don't write the numbers. And next is, again we have crayons here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92. 9 to 92. 9, 1, 91. Few children I have noticed writing in this way. Children, look at the screen. All of you stop writing and look at the screen. And tell me whether what I am writing is right or it's the wrong way to write. Is it right? Should you write like this?
No.
No. First you have to write 9, 1, 91. Finish the whole number. I have noticed with some children, that children alone I am telling you, please correct the way what you are writing. Finish the whole number 9191 and then move on to the next box. See, like this you have to finish writing the number 9191. Then move on to the next box. Don't write 99999 It's wrong. You will never remember the number. When I tell you to write 91, you will not write because you will not know. When you are writing in this way, you will never understand. So please don't do that, children. Finish the whole number and move on to the next box.
Ma'am, circle, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Finished? Okay, now the next worksheet. 119 empty. 93 and 94. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93. Next is 10, 20, change the color. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. That's it, children. Till 94, we are going to finish it today. Spell the number and write, children. Right. Very good, Siddharth. Good boy. Darshika, where are you? Very good girls, Eddie.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everyone are looking at Zaidi now. Satvika. Danvin finish, ma? Very good. Good boy, Danvin.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, children. Danvin, are you ready for the story?
Ma'am.
Come on, be ready.
Finish.
Yeah, very good, Manushita. Finish. Close your books. Danvin is going to start the story.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, ma. Good,
Ma'am.
Mithila.
Not finish.
Very good, Mithila. You have started very fast.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ashni, very good, Ashni. Janavi finished.
No, ma'am.
Finish, ma. You don't want story. 5 minutes more.
Ma'am, Janvi's story time, you have
Yeah, what
scheduled
I
it.
have planned was I will send you a schedule according to the date. You please go through it.
Okay, ma'am.
Because in between, if you are telling the name means I'm not able to schedule it properly. So by today
Okay.
evening, I'll send the schedule for all the children.
Okay, sure.
Okay, in case of any change, please let me know.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Everyone compulsory, you have to participate, children. So I myself, I'm going to schedule when you're going to do. Okay, by today evening, I'll send you the schedule. Okay, and next week we'll be doing the Imaginicate. Yesterday also I reminded you. Today also I'm telling you the same. Be ready with your Imaginicate. Okay. And for that, parents, you have to download that Kidsy Imagine app in your mobile. Then only you can scan that picture. If you have that kit itself, you can see inside that the guidelines are given, what you have to do, everything. Start, ma Dhanvin. Be ready with your presentation. Let them write and they will see what you are saying. No issues.
Can we start, ma'am?
Yeah, you can start.
Yeah, okay. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, visible.
Good morning. I am Daniel Chan. I am going to tell a story called Sandy Tiger. 4 cows lived in a forest. They were friends.
Yeah, very good, ma. Let's now mute yourself, everyone, children.
4 cows lived in a forest. They were good friends. They always ate together. No animal would attack them because of their unity. A tiger planned to attack them, but he couldn't. One day the cow thought it was separated. Tiger thought this attack them. Now that unity is strength.
unmute yourself and clap for Dhanvin. Nice story, Dhanvin. Beauty is strength. The 4 cows were together, so the tiger was not able to attack them. But when they fought with each other and they were all separated, the tiger got a very good chance. And what it did, it attacked on the cows. So what do you learn from this? You should always be united. You should not fight with each other. Okay? Very good, Dhanvin. Thank you so much. Ritvik, will you do it today, ma'am? Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, Ritvik. Thank you so much, Dhanvin.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please get a gift for him, Dhanvin's mom, on my behalf.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm going to talk about grasshopper in the ant story. One day there was a beautiful summer day. Then there was a creative grasshopper, sings, dance, play with the violin. Then there was a hardworking man was picking winter. Then the grasshopper was singing upon the floor tree. Then the grasshopper began to talk to ant. Ant, please come and play with me. No, no, said the ant. The grasshopper laughed. We are burning about winter. Then the ants were working hard. The grasshopper is playing with the fire. Then the grasshopper and the winter came sooner. Then the grasshopper is shivering and cold. Then the grasshopper is start closing. Then the rat searching for food. They found nothing. Then baked me some food. Then the ant baked some food and gave it to the grasshopper. Then the man loved the story. It work. There's a day for work. Then there's a day for play. So work hard before you play. Thank you.
Very well, Ritvik, mom. The dialogue that was given on the PPT. Okay, but he said in his own way. I'm really happy for you with this. Sorry, Ritvik.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, nice narration. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for your presentation too. Okay, thank you, parents. Thank you, Ritvik's mom. Thank you, Dhanvin's mom. And others also, I'll be sending you the children. Prepare for it accordingly.